Vande Mataram. In the previous video, we learned that when curiosity is awakened in the mind of a seeker and stability starts coming in the field of sadhana, then many questions about Gayatri mantra arise in his mind. The first question can be like this: many mantras have been said, why is Gayatri mantra considered the best? And what is the role of Gayatri mantra in attaining that true form? Very beautiful friends, it is true that every deity has its own mantra for worship. Their sadhana leads to the attainment of the desired wish, but if the desired wish is salvation, that is, we want to attain salvation, then the sadhana of Gayatri mantra is the panacea. This has been called the best. Lord Shiva Shakti, Sri Ram Sita, Sri Krishna, all the Brahmavedas who have been before this and all the Brahmavedas who have been after this. Those who have become stable in the form of Soham and then Aham Brahmasmi, they have also considered Gayatri mantra as the best. So know the secret of its superiority. The word Sarg means the world, creation or nature. The word that gives its opposite meaning is Visarg, which means that which is beyond the world, creation or nature, i.e. pure conscious form. Gayatri mantra is made up of 24 letters. When recited properly in one breath, the vital air strikes the middle of the eyebrows in the human body. During this strike, when the Visarg is pronounced H repeatedly, then the seeker starts rising above the worldly desires and sufferings. His conscious form starts getting situated in the eyebrows. The movement of the mind is upward, and the mind starts getting controlled. Controlling the mind along with stability of the goal is the first step in the field of sadhana. My Sarak friends, it is necessary to go through the first step. So brothers and sisters who aspire for salvation, if you have not made Gayatri mantra an important part of your daily sadhana, then do it from today itself. If you have any question in this context, you can definitely ask. See you in the next video with the next question related to Gayatri Mahavigyan. Stay with me to understand this Mahavigyan and to become a human being of a high standard. Thank you, Namaskar.